Hello guys! shoppexp presents Top 5 Best Makeup Organizer in 2020. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in a list. So like the video, share your ideas in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. On the number 5 is Awenia Makeup Organizer. With a top compartment and 7 adjustable layers and earring, necklace holder, this 360 degrees rotating makeup organizer can hold at least 63 pieces of cosmetic easily. This makeup organizer is made of high-impact acrylic for better durability, more tough and durable than ABS material. It can bear heavy commodities up to 10 kg. Premium rubber rings are added to improve the firmness of the whole structure. There are 7 adjustable layers to choose from. You can also adjust tray height according to your cosmetics. This makeup organizer has an anti-slip part at the bottom and raised safety tabs at the top plate to avoid falling down. Diamond design and spare partition slots are not only decorative but also practical to hold earrings and other accessories. Let's move next. On the number 4 is DreamGenius Makeup Organizer. This makeup organizer includes 12 lipstick compartments in the top tray and 9 different size drawers. Perfect for lipsticks, eyeshadow and other cosmetics. These 4-piece makeup organizer boxes interlock securely with anti-slip mats. Interlocking and stackable design fits to other drawers so that you can DIY your own makeup organizer, stack more drawers on top of the base or use them separately. Clear acrylic organizer matches any decor. Easy to find your cosmetics and keep them neat and tidy. Large drawers perfect for cream and big bottles. Completely removable drawers of this makeup organizer slide out smoothly, and the molded handles are very easy to grab and pull out. Drawers with removable black velvet padding keep items protected and in place. On the number 3 we listed Mazer's Makeup Organizer. Experience the ease of having everything at your fingertips, clearly visible, ready and waiting for you. This makeup organizer is the perfect way to keep all your cosmetics and jewelry neat, organized, and at hand's reach. Compartments of various shapes and sizes will accommodate your cosmetics and jewelry. Have all your lipsticks, compacts, nail polish, brushes, jewelry and more all neatly organized. Stylish, fun, and yet so practical. You can keep it stacked as one piece or separate it into 2 for keeping cosmetics and jewelry in different places. The beautiful transparent design of this makeup organizer allows everything to be easily visible as well as accessible. Manufactured from durable, clear acrylic, the organizer will look elegant sitting on your vanity, bathroom counter, dresser, or anywhere you choose to place it. On the second last, we have a MyTech Makeup Organizer. The MyTech 360 degrees rotation makeup organizer is a great design. It perfectly organizes and stores your cosmetics, including lipsticks, lip gels, nail polish, makeup brushes, cheek color, eyebrow pencils, foundation sticks, beauty gadgets, necklaces, rings and more. Accommodates at least 60 makeup brushes, 30 skincare products and other accessories including lipsticks, nail polish, eyeliner and more. This makeup organizer is easy to be assembled and disassembled according to the user manual. DIY the makeup organizer and adjust the height of laminates as you like. Convenient to clean with removable design and washable material. It would be a great addition to your bedroom, bathroom, counter, dresser and vanity to keep them a lot neater looking. And on the last, we have Sunoco Makeup Organizer. It is professional vanity makeup organizer, made of acrylic, high quality and convenient for cleaning. 360 revolving angle makeup shelf help find cosmetics easily. This makeup organizer is small set but has large capacity. It holds at least 30 makeup brushes, 20 skincare products and other accessories including lipsticks, nail polish, eyeliner and more cosmetics. It is multifunction revolving makeup organizer for your vanity, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, dressing room, toilet, table, countertop and desk. This makeup organizer is easy to be assembled and disassembled according to the user manual. DIY the makeup organizer and adjust the height as you like. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.